Hey everyone, for this little video I'd like to show you how I grease my Effer crane, grease the extensions. Effer cranes does have these holes in the extensions which allows us to grease the insides. Other crane manufacturers don't have that, and therefore you can only grease outside of the extensions, which is of course also important, but every now and then, every third or fourth time maybe, I like to grease the insides too. Because on the outside, this is where the sliding action happens, and then on the upper insides. For the insides I have a plain old pipe, some kind of hydraulic pipe, which I've clamped a standard paintbrush to. And we got some boom grease. This is some sticky stuff. Like so. And then I just smear it out. Then the next section can slide up into that grease on the inside. Effer cranes have bronze sliding pads, and you will hear when these get dry, they will start to creak and make all kinds of weird noises. Like so. This crane is 16 years old now. It has about, I don't know, 15,000 hours on it.
Wow!
I've never changed a single one of these sliding pads. Just keep them greasy. Don't need a lot, just a little, just a thin layer. This is sticky boom grease. Of course, the second boom is really easy. Just reach in. You can see we got some bald spots here. So put some extra on top. just for the sake of it. Just for good measure. Nice. For external lubrication we have this grease gun with some Cougar semi-synthetic boom grease with like a paint roller in the end. The grease comes out from the roller in the center here, so it's real easy to apply, and you don't use much grease. It's very economic. So this roller is a little worn out at the moment. It doesn't really want to stay on the shaft, but we'll see. We got some shiny spots. Yeah, this doesn't really want to stay on. Nice. 7 more to go. And also use the boom grease. Don't cheap out and use the normal industrial grease you use for the all the joints and other parts. Use the special tacky, sticky boom grease, who's made for external sliding surfaces. It's much better in the long run. You use less grease, you get less scrape off, and it's cheaper in the long run. Fly jib is much easier, less surface area. And as always, when you're done, get your little random plastic container and your little scraper and scrape the excess grease. Makes the crane look so much cleaner and yeah, much more professional. It looks better. These holes on the fly jib are obviously too small for my grease brush, but then we got this sticky spray. Just a quick spray in every hole. Ooh, smoking. Oh my god, look at this! You are a nasty girl. Oh my god. We don't want this grease dripping onto our customers, because they won't be happy. No. Not at all. That's it for today. The old girl is slippery again. I mean, my loader crane is all greased up again, and if there are any other how-tos you want me to do, please tell me. But please like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Always helps me out. And yeah, see you on the next lift. Okay, bye.